I concede, understanding this powerful phrase in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in debates, movies, or even during casual conversations. I concede. It's a small phrase with big implications, and understanding it can add a rich layer to your English communication. So, stay tuned as we unpack the meaning, usage, and nuances of this powerful phrase. When someone says, I concede, they are essentially admitting or acknowledging that a point in an argument, a match, or a competition is lost. But it's more than just giving up. It's an acknowledgement made often after a hard-fought effort, showing a mix of humility and realism. The term concede comes from Latin roots that mean to yield or to go along with. In politics, you'll hear this phrase when a candidate admits defeat in an election. In sports, a player might concede a point or a game. In an argument, conceding is often linked with acknowledging the other person's point as valid or correct. Now, let's see how I concede is used in different sentences. In debate, I concede that you have a point, but I still believe my argument holds more weight. In sports, the match was tough, and in the end, I concede that the better team won today. In personal disputes, I concede, maybe it wasn't the best idea to go out in the rain without an umbrella. These sentences show that conceding can be done with grace and is often a sign of maturity. I concede can be modified to fit different contexts or to reflect the speaker's attitude. Let's look at some variations. Reluctant concession. I concede, albeit reluctantly, that I was not fully prepared for the presentation. Graceful concession. You've worked hard, and I happily concede the victory to you. Partial concession. I concede that you're right about this issue, though it doesn't change the overall situation. Each of these carries a different emotional weight and can subtly change the meaning of the concession. Conceding isn't just about admitting defeat. It's about opening the door to new possibilities and learning opportunities. When we concede, we allow ourselves to move forward, away from conflict, towards understanding and growth. It can diffuse tension and can be a stepping stone to a more nuanced discussion or a deeper relationship. I concede, two words that can carry the weight of humility, defeat, or wisdom. We hope this video has helped you grasp the essence of this phrase and how you can use it in your daily English communication. Remember, conceding isn't a sign of weakness. It's an admirable trait that shows respect and openness. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again for more English language learning tips. Keep practicing, and never hesitate to concede when it's due. It might just be the start of something better.